Morning everyone, how are you doing? How is everything? I hope all is well. So in this tutorial we'll be designing a company website. We have been talking about we have been designing a lot of websites, but in this tutorial we'll be designing a company website which I called building a professional business website. So what is a business website? A business website is a website you use for your business. You create it purposely for your business. A lot of people, we have a lot of business today. We have construction business, we have hospital, we have hospital business. We have a lot of business. We have lawyers, a lot of business, a lot of things, a lot of skills, everything. All this business need a website for them to improve more and more. Hotel business, importing and exporting business, a lot of stuff like that. So in this tutorial I will be teaching you how to design a professional business website. So in case you have any issue, you can just call me on 09035382271. My name is Adedapo Michael Sunday, and you can follow me on Facebook. Just go and search for Adedapo Michael Sunday or Adedapo Michael. So this morning we'll be designing our professional business website. So I've created my subdomain. If you follow my previous classes, you will see how to create a subdomain. So just go, because of the time, I'll go ahead to create my subdomain, and I've imported my plugins and my theme. And like I said earlier, like I said in the previous classes, the only theme we'll be using in these courses is Abstract theme, and which is a free theme, because I don't want you to spend money. I don't want you to spend too much of money. And another thing we'll be doing again in these courses is that we will be another plugin we'll be installing in our courses, in our tutorial. It is just only 3 plugin, and like I said, we install Elementor plugin, and we installed starter templates. Starter template is a template that come along with Elementor, so we'll be installing it. And Essential add-on for Elementor, this is it. Essential add-on for Elementor, and Elementor, this is a plugin for Elementor, this is Essential add-on for Elementor, and this is the starter template. So once you install Astra, this starter template will come with the Astra. So, and it only works once you have Astra theme on your website. So the next thing you just go and do is that you will go to the library. You just even to go and pick the template you want to use, because like I said earlier, people are not building websites from the scratch again. They are using theme and template, and because building websites from the scratch, it may take a lot of time and period. So we're going to be using, and so once you click on this C library, it will take you to this place. And so we're going to be, since I want to be creating a website for a company, I think let me just go for, we have digital agency company, we have construction company, we have co-working space and cleaning service. I said this is free theme. This is free, it's free, you don't need to pay for it. So maybe should I go for cleaning? Let me go for construction company. I love construction because when I through with my ND program, I did my IT in Airbus Engineering Construction Company in Lagos. So, and they are very wonderful to me. They really took care of me. They helped me. So that's why let me go for this. So this is the themes, the template that I will be using. So let me just import. Let me import it now. Your selected website is being imported. So let's wait. So, it's loading now. It will show me all these things. You can see the first thing, that delete previous imported site. Maybe you are using one particular website, and maybe you just want to delete the website and import another one. You can just use this. Maybe you have a particular template or a particular website, and maybe you wanted to import another website or another template rather. Maybe you have a particular template on the website, you want to delete that one and import another one. You need to first delete it, but this website is new, there's nothing in it, and this is the home page. This is the front page. Let me show you. Can you see? This is the front page, and the name, since the name of the name of the team I bought is the Leading Academy, so that's why I use this one as a Leading Company. My website name, my personal website name is www.theleading.com. So I was unable to get the deleading.net, so that's why I go for deleadingacademics.com. Though, I decided to, me and a particular friend of mine, a particular brother of mine, decided to use this name. So without wasting much of time, let's go to our store and import this. And once the importation is successful, you will see that this our website will change automatically. If you buy a domain name, or if you buy your hosting and your domain name and you install your WordPress, this is how your website will look like. It's truly your website is online, but this website is not looking attractive. Look at it. Is there any attractive thing that can captivate someone's heart? There's nothing in this thing. There's nothing in this place that can captivate someone's heart. Look at how it looks like. It's not even looking fine. I don't like it at all. So you can just change it to your satisfaction. So let's go and check our template. Maybe it's importing 58%. So let's wait till the loading is successfully. So once it's successfully, we'll go ahead. It's loading. Now look at it. Wow, it's successfully imported. Now let's go and visit our site. Let's look at this site. You know, this is the default stuff like this. Now let's refresh it, Control R, and let's see how our website will look like. The network, sorry for the network, but it's loading. Wow, can you imagine? Look at our site now. Construction. This is our logo. Got broad vision, honest service, and great stuff like this. And we have a lot of things. Can you see? Welcome to concrete construction. Look at the capability. Look at everything. This is it. Can you see now? So we'll be editing our website now. So because I don't want us to waste much of time, though I didn't have any article for this, I didn't have a written article. Maybe I've not did any documentation. So I will be starting everything fresh. Now let's edit our website. And firstly, we have a footer. This is the footer stuff. Everything you see here is the footer. So we're going to edit it firstly, so that, and at the end of the day we move ahead to our normal stuff. So first, let's click on the footer. Let's edit the footer first. It's loading. Now this is done, so we'll start editing our stuff. So let's start editing this stuff. Like I said earlier, we're editing our footer. So this is our footer, and we can edit them from here. So let's say the leading complaint is one of the most profitable complaint. In Nigeria. You can check us. You can check on us through our social media. So, and you can just come here and put the link of your social media in this place, like your facebook.com. I don't know my link. I don't know my link often, so copy my link is maybe somehow stressful. So you can just come, if you want to put your link, you can just come here, come to this place and put your link here, maybe hpp.facebook.com. And if you want to get your link, go to your social media account. You can go to your profile and click on this. Once you go to your social media account, you can click on everything you see in this place and you come and paste it there. Well, let me even try it. The internet is not that good, the network is not good. Let me sign in for my Facebook and let me see. So it's loading. Without wasting much of our time, so you can just change this on to our complaint. Okay, you can leave it like you can change it to deleting complaint. Anything and anything you don't like in this place, you can delete them. You can delete anything you don't like. Anything maybe you don't like, if you don't have this link there account, you can just come here. Maybe you don't have it, let me just come here. If you don't, anyone you don't like, you can just remove them. Once you click on this star, it will remove automatically. But because I will need them. But though presently I don't know my link offhand, so I don't want to waste much time. And maybe you want to add your WhatsApp, you can just click on item here and just click on this icon. No, you drag it down. You change the icon. You come and pick here. Maybe let's use WhatsApp icon. Just do this. Click on it, and you start. Can you see? You can see now that the WhatsApp icon has automatically joined to it. So anything you want to do, you can change anything. Now let's come to this place again. Let me just change our let's do something. Okay, let's see our contact details. And let's see. Like I used to say, my address is number 56 NTC Road. Number 56 NTC Road. Okay, Ado, Ibadan, Oyo State. So my phone number is so if you want to add your phone number, just click on this one. You come to here again, you click on it again. If you want to change the icon, you are free to change it, but we'll leave it like that. You come here again and change your phone number. My phone number is 090-3538-2271. This is the phone number I'm using. And once you are done with it, you click here again. You come here again. Maybe you have a company number or fancy number, stuff like that. Just change it. Let me just use the same phone number. My second number, I don't know it offhand. So 090-3538-2271. This is my number. Copy it again. If you have your email, maybe you want people to send a mail to you, you can just come here. Okay, I just let me put my email. Adedapo Michael Sunday 002 @gmail.com. So once you are done with it, you close it again. And anything you did, the things you have done, since all this thing is complete. You don't want, if you want to change this thing, you can change it. But this is normally good. This is good. So you can see copyright 2020. So if this website, maybe we leave it for, maybe we're in 2021, this thing will automatically change it. This is the short code. It will automatically change it to 2021. So let's leave it like that. And this same year also, you don't have any issue with that. Just, is there anything we can change? No, there's nothing again. Just let's leave it like that. So let's update. Once we update this one, we are done for this footer. So let's go to our main website now. Let's go and edit our home page. It's loading. Connection lost saving. The network is somehow bad. Now this thing has saved now. So the next thing now we need to do is, let's go to, I think since it is done, let's go back to our home page and let's start it working. So I've opened it already. So after we work, and mind you, if you are working, you can continue to save it automatically, so that at the end of the day, because for example now, if what we did in that footer place, maybe the network is not going, so if we didn't save, the thing may not save. So we might need to restart from the beginning again, and so that you won't lose your work from the beginning. So you can just, once you did any changes, just save it. So let's come here and change it to, let's change there. Okay, you can just say Okay, let me do something. So we can just say welcome to the leading construction company. Let me duplicate this stuff. Duplicate. Yeah, this is what I want to have. So I will make sure I edit this stuff. Welcome to the leading construction company. The leading now let me copy this text. So I will need to change this thing. It's too big, so it might not fit this particular position. Let me just put it. Let me delete this one now. I'm able to achieve what I want to achieve. I want to check something, so I didn't need it again. So sorry, I need to delete everything here. Let me just delete it first. Now, yes sir. So since I'm using this one, I think I will need to make it H1, and I will need to center it. I want to center it. See, let me just center it. You can just play along. You can play along. I think this is the best one. So let's leave it like this. So welcome to the leading construction company. So let's edit this one. So you can just play along with anything you want to do. Though this one, I'm just designing it to my own taste. I may decide to change it. You can decide to do anything. So our goal, okay, now you can say, okay, our goal then now is to provide quality on time projects. So you can change it to anything. Okay, let me do something. Our ultimate goal. Our ultimate goal is, so I'll clean this one. I don't need all this one. All this I don't need it. Let me just clean everything. Yeah. So our ultimate goal is to give you quality project within a short period of time. So let's move on. And there's anything we don't want. So like this now, get a free code. Let's change it. Get a free. Let's link it to. Let me go to one of this. Let me close this one. Get a free code. Let me link it to our contact us. Copy link address. So I will come here and paste the link here. I will clean this hashtag. I'll paste the link here. So whenever anyone is clicking on this one, to direct them to contact us. So get in touch with us again. Let me also use the same link for this. So, and you can also update. You can save your work. Update means your work is saved. So let's move forward. Now Yeah, this is just editing. You can delete this picture and change it to your complete picture if you have your picture. But I will be leaving this picture because I don't have much picture on my laptop, and downloading picture online may be taking me so much of time. So I will just let's leave this picture like this. But in case you are doing your own, let me show you how you can change your picture. So this is the picture. You come here, you can click on choose image. So once you click on choose image, you will be able to pick the picture you want. And another thing is that they have tell us the kind of size, so you make sure the image you want to upload is this size, and you can play along with anyone. So I will just leave this image like this so that we won't be wasting much of our time. So let's see, let's change this into deleting construction. Welcome to deleting construction. So where we build your vision, you can just say we are specialized in building your vision. We are specialized in building your vision. Now, so this, write a warm welcoming message for your visitors. So now, I love this team. Do you know what they do here? They give you what you should write here. They said write a warm welcome, which is this particular post is a post whereby you will write a welcoming stuff, your welcoming message. Maybe someone is visiting your website, your complaint website for the first time. This is just where you can just say, wow, you're welcome to this complaint. This is what we do, and this is how we can help you to do it. So let's just start. So let me. You are highly welcome. You are highly welcome to deleting construction complaint. We are specialized. Okay. Wait, let me use another word. I've used specialized here. And one, if you are a copywriter, you must not use the same word in the same place. You can just. So they said in this place now, what you are expected to put in this place, they tell people a little more to attract. So you can just say something little more again. Let me type it. So this is what I put here. I said the reason why we are the best is because we render quality service and we make sure we deliver your project on time. So from this, you can continue and say, okay. Now this is I want to show you something here. If you look at this place, this is call to action. When you are feeling call us today, in every website you must make sure that there's a call to action. When some people are saying all these things, they wish to make a decision, but if there's no call to action, they won't want to make a decision. So let's prompt them now. Call to action is just, maybe for example, I don't know, maybe you have read anything and say, wow, I wish to buy this thing. Oh, wow. But if there's no call to action there, you just leave it. If there's no order now or call to action now, you just leave it, and then the person may not be able to buy it again. But if you make sure there's a call to action, which means you prompt your clients to make an action. See, is a lot. There's a lot. So very soon I'll be releasing a course on copywriting, and it will help you a lot. So because of our time, let's go straight to our stuff. So okay, you can change this to call us today or contact us today, get in touch to us today. You can change it to anything, but let's just leave it as call us today. So let's leave it like that. So let's come to this number. Let's change this number. Let me use plus 234 plus 234 90 35 38 2271. You can just leave it like that. You can make it H4, you can make it H2, and so forth like that. But let's leave it like this. So let's move forward. They said get free consultation. You know why? Everyone likes free things. So if you are writing your content, make sure you put your content in a way, such a way that it will captivate anyone that visits your website at first time. So all these things is just to help you captivate anyone that visits your website. So write something lovely to get free consultation, or you can just say get your get free consultation. Or let me look at another word you can use again. You can say, okay, we'll give out free consultation. I just use that. Okay, you will give out free consultation. So anyone that said that, wow, I want a free consultation, so let me consult them. And during this process, you begin to, ship in what you offer. Before you know it, they will subscribe to what you sell. They will subscribe for your product. So let's leave it like this, and let's go to this section. So they have even tell you what you can use. You can use this section to highlight the feature of the heading. Use this paragraph to focus on topic you want. Make sure you keep it short and attractive. This is what they are even this is one of the benefits of using a team. If you are designing it from scratch, you may not have this highlight, you may not have this idea. So you just need to follow. You just need to use a team or a template. So let me just change this word. Now I said, people call us the best because of the quality consultation we offer to our clients at no cost, which means for free. You can book an appointment for your consultation now. And I said, okay, because of the powerful, you can change this quality to powerful consultation as or you can just use it to anything you like. So now you can say something else in there. I said you can book an appointment for your consultation now. Now I'm also prompting them to make a step to I'm prompting them to make a decision here now. So, and that is why this book of an appointment is here. I just click on it, book an appointment. Let me just copy it, let me just link it to a particular page. Let me go to about us, service, project, contact us. Let's use contact us also. Copy link address. So I'll just come and paste it here. Can you see now? And I will update my stuff. I'll move forward again. And like I said earlier again, if you have any picture of your complaint, so that is if you are a connection lost, this thing did not save, the service is not good. So if you are collecting any job or you are designing any complaint website, make sure you collect their picture and their complete picture and other stuff again. I'm just using my I'm not creating for any complaint. I'm just using this for the sake of tutorial. If I am designing a website for complaint, I will collect some picture or give them attractive picture. So trust me. But because of the sake of this tutorial, that's why I'm leaving it like this. So can you see? And this is our specialization. You can just say our complaint. Okay, you can just see our specialization. Now they are giving you what to do. You can use this section to highlight the feature of your heading. This is just it. So let me just do some little editing. So the network is not that good, so I decided to refresh it. So let's continue. Now I change this stuff to you can check our area of specialization and see what we can do. So let's begin to edit this stuff. We're gonna talk architecture, a short description. You just come to this place and add any short description. Let's say I don't know about engineering, but let me just use an idea. So when you are designing your website for your clients, make sure you collect a content from them. Please make sure you collect a content from them. It's very, very important. Now architecture, we are specialized in drawing out the plans of your house. The plan of the house in a great way, in a quality way. Let's leave it like that. So you come here again. If you have any links, you can put a link here. You can just draw your cursor down here. If you have any link, you can put a link here, but don't have any link here. Just come here again. Landscaping design. One of the major reasons why we are the leading construction company, why we are the leading construction company is because we offer a quality design. You know, now if you look at this thing now, you realize that this area is plenty than this area, and because of that, this has disfigured it. So you make sure you write your word in the same side that what I mean by that, you just write an attractive stuff. So because of this, sake of this tutorial, I want them to have the same stuff. I'll just say okay, we are the leading construction company because we offer quality design. Can you see? Almost, they are still almost at the same rate. So you will do the same thing for this place. You just come here, do the same thing, and maybe if you want to change the picture, maybe you don't like all this stuff, you don't like all this logo, you come here, change it. Icon, you go to icon library and upload the one you have. Or maybe you want to use maybe you have another icon, maybe you want to upload your own icon by yourself. You have SVG, you can just go there and upload it. Do you understand me? And maybe you want to change the name of the stuff, you can just come to this title and change it to whatever thing you want to change it to, and write your short description. So that is how you will be doing for this area. And if you have been watching my previous tutorial on maybe blog website, on how to design a e-commerce website, or probably how to design a restaurant website, you should be able to work with any area in this place. And maybe, for example, you don't even want to showcase this thing, though it is good to have this thing. You must have your specialization, people must see it. But maybe you don't like it, you can come here, you can come to this place and delete it. You can click on delete, but we won't be deleting it now. If maybe you don't want to have this section, you can click on this place and you will delete it. You can click on delete, and maybe you don't want to see this picture. Either you change it, and at the same time you can also delete it. That is all. You are free. It is your website. Yes. So, and the major area is that your testimonial. Every website must have it. So you can change this place to our testimonial, and you can just play around with it. But let me just change out this place. Okay, what our clients say. Now you can change this place to testimonial, or yes, because most of the time some websites use testimonial. Both testimonial and this one is still the same thing. You can just use this section to highlight some things. Now this team, that's one of the reasons I love Astra. I'm not advertising for them, but I love them, I love their team, I love everything. Now they have given you what you should write here now, but in some cases, most of that they will be using lorem. This means that you should delete this thing and put whatever thing you want. So now look at what they said. You can use this section to highlight the future of heading. Use this paragraph to focus on the topic you want. Make sure it is short and simple. Can you see again? So you can just say, let me just say something here. Now, like I said, check this testimonial and see the testimony of our wonderful client. You don't need to write too much of word. It's not until maybe you write a page of a word. No, but short but mighty. That's what we call short but mighty, short but powerful. It's just a short word, but the word is so powerful that it can captivate someone. So you can come here, write lovely article. You can change this picture, and once you click on the picture, you can just come here, upload the image of your friend, and so on. So let me just change. I think I have a picture here. My picture is here. Pick up upload file. you come to your file, and where do I save my picture? Picture. Commerce, restaurants. Yeah, this is my picture. Let me put my picture here. It's loading, so let me just insert it. So why is it not open? What's happened to this network? Oh, the network, sorry. Let's wait for the network. So let's start. And this is, can you see? And you can write, okay, let me just change this word and say okay. Yes. Now see, the first time I come across this complaint. No, I don't want, that one will be too long. Let me just use word. So now look at what I said. I said the leading company is the best construction company that has ever helped me to build my house in a way I wanted. Let me just say in a way I wanted. No, let's use in a way I want. Sorry if I am wrong, you can correct me. So I'll just come here and change the name. Let's say Dr. Adedapo, like you used to know. Dr. Adedapo. Oh. So you can change, you can come here and post your maybe CEO of web design, the leading web design company. CEO of the leading web design. So, and let's move down. So the same way I do this thing, you can just play around along with and do the same here. Just to write something wonderful, something attractive that people will like. So let's look our recent project. Yes, you need to show your recent project when you are dealing with company, and no matter how is it, just should let them know what you are able to do. Just say we just complete. Let's say we just complete an awesome building. So you can just say we just complete an awesome building at Kolapo Estate. So you can just put a link. You can come here and say, okay, come and look at it. If you want to see the link of our latest project, so come to this particular place. So let me copy a link that we'll be using. Let me copy a link, our service. And let me copy this link. No, or let me copy this project. I copy the link of this project. It's a project, not service. So you just come back to your Elementor home. That's it. View your project. Just once you click on this, so you take it to this place. This is the button, and you come to this place. You can change the name to any other thing. This is where you can change. You can say, okay, our project. So you can just put the link here. So once you put the link here, so whenever anybody is clicking on this link, it will be taking them to your site, to your project page. So since we are dealing with construction complaint, You can just leave all this area, and if you want to write a test, you can say, okay, a great mega project. You can write some little article about it and stuff like that. At the same time, you can also write some little article about this and stuff. So is anything you are doing, once you are using, that is why I like Element. I love Elementor rather. I love them. It is very good. It is very good to build your page. So this is another stuff again. You can change. You see, you can change all this thing, and write. And there's a provision for it. There's a provision for a place. This place now you can write anything you want to write, anything, or maybe you have any title again you want to write. Can you see? Okay, is a place where maybe the type of work you have collected. You have collected this one 6. You have collected 5 stuff. The number of your stuff rather. So you can see this one is number 1. A great mega project. This is it. You can change the name to anything, and 2, 3. Since you are telling them that this is your recent project, our recent project, we just completed an awesome building at Kolapo Estate. Now these are the projects that you are listing to them for them, that they can see, that your clients can see. So you just come there and see. The first one is a great mega project, our high tower building, and so forth like that. Even though this is not real, but you know, as an engineer. So this is your recent work. This is 6. So let's move on. And if you want to add anything to it, you can add it to it. If you want to change the number, you can change the number. So our expert team, yes, you need to have a team. A one man cannot just be an engineering company. You can just say, okay, let me see something. And just say, here is the list of our expertise. Here is the list of our expertise. Therefore, they are the reason behind our success. Just leave it like that. System. So whenever you are designing for any company, they will give you their project stuff, their content. So you don't need to worry yourself about your content. You know me, I'm just writing the content from my head. But when it comes to you don't need to do that. They will surely give you a content. Each company will surely have their own content. They will give you a content they want to use. So you can change their name. Let me just walk around this area. You can change their picture. You can change the name. And if you want to change the picture, you click on this place and you can change the picture. So let's come to this place. Let me just change the name to Adedapo Michael. And let me change this place to the I'm the CEO of the company. CEO. So you can put your social media link here. Like I said, I've told you how to do it. Maybe you have a video on, you have a YouTube channel. You can put the link here so that people can just go to your YouTube channel and know what you are doing. And you have a Twitter, you can put your link here. And I've told you, if you want to put any link, you click on this place, you come to this link and put your link. Once you are done with it again, you close it, come to here again, put your link here. Once you are done, you close it, and that is all. So do I have any secretary? Okay, let me put a female name here. Let me just say Amalola, or let me use my sister's name here, Dolapo. Let me just say Adedapo. Okay, let me use Adeto Dolapo. This is my what is his position? Let me just say project leader, or let me just say manager. Or let me say director. A female can be a director. It's not this is a man, no. So let me change the name. Like I don't even know. I don't even see that. Let me change the name to. Let me just let me use my brother Ayodeji Samuel, director. Let me use my sister here, Adeto Dolapo, my wonderful sister. I love her like I don't joke with her. Adeto Dolapo. So let's leave that. So you can put the link, and that is all, and you can play around with everything. So now, if you want this thing is just a counter. Is this to make your client see and say, wow, this person is doing work. Look at you, mean he has this amount of clients. Are you sure? It's a counter stuff. This is so you put your number, the number of work you have done. Where on that can a particular company have this amount? But just change it to, let me change it to maybe like let me just say 1,005 people, 1,560 something, 60 something client. And let me see project. Maybe we have done project of, let's say, 1,000 projects. And in engineering, there's some project that is just repairing, just help them to repair the house. Maybe we have repaired 1,002 projects. An award in our company, we are the leading company, so we have received an award of, we have received an award in 500 times. So possible, well, so let me save it. So let's look at the, because if you are building a website, you must make sure you look, because most of the people that will visit your website, they are using mobile phone. So check the what is it calling it, the responsive, let's check this thing, maybe is it mobile friendly. So this is how your website will look like if you are using a mobile. So can you see this how it will look like if you are using a mobile phone? Can you see this website is too good? I won't lie to you, this website is good. I thought I so you can just go and play along with everything. So check the maybe if you want to check for the tablet, just click on tablet in case some people are using big phone. I don't know phone line, but I say let's check it. Look at this, how it will look on tablet. And if there's anything you want to change, you can just change it. There's nothing bad in it. And any changes you made in this place will not affect the other place. It will only affect this place, and that is it. It will only affect what, this place alone. Or it will only have, maybe I did any changes in my mobile phone. If you are using tablet, you won't be able to see the changes. You won't know that I've deleted it. It is only on those people who are using mobile phone that will be able to know. Maybe I'm using, I made any changes on mobile. Maybe I deleted anything on mobile. Those who are using tablet will not be able to know. If I delete this stuff now, maybe on mobile, those who are using tablet will still see it. So that is just it, yeah. And like I said earlier, you can change the word, change everything. So let's go and visit our website and see. Let's refresh and see the changes you have made. It's loading. I'm sorry, it's loading. The network is somehow. Now welcome. Can you see our website? Can you see the changes we made? Can you see that everything we change this, let's move forward. Can you see the picture I put here? Can you see everything is done? Like I said, you can play along with this, you can change it to your own satisfaction. At the same time, you can, like I said, everything we did, the changes has been affected here now. The changing has been reflected here rather. I'm not going to change both. Can you see here the list of our stuff here? So and I've did this. So that is all. So you can go to different pages. Sorry. So you can go to this different about us, do edit this, edit it, and anything you don't like. I've showed you how to delete, how to remove, how to add. You can change anything you like, everything you don't like. So this is all. And if you want to change this link, you can change the link. How do you change this link? Just go to your customize. And I said that again, you can also change this logo. And I've showed you how to change the logo in our previous classes, so I won't be wasting much of my time on that. It's what you can do. In case you didn't, maybe you are not watching it maybe you are not watching it the way I arrange it, you can just go to the blog website I did, or the restaurant website. I think I changed the logo, or just go to either the blog website and you see how I did it, or restaurant website. It's loading, so let's wait for the loading. Now if you want to change this logo, you can just click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, it will take you to where you can change the logo. Can you see? This is the logo, and you can remove the logo, change. You can see change the logo. You can change the logo and bring your and upload your own logo, but make sure the logo you are uploading is a PNG logo, a logo that does not have a background, so that it will be able to stay on this color. If you look at this channel, you look at this color is white, but you know you can't see this color very well here. But you can see it very well here because this color is a background, is a white, and they remove the background. So once they paste it here now, it show very clearly. This is just a white background, but because this place is white, that's why you can't see it very well. So make sure you use it. And if you want to change all these links, can you see? You can just come here, click on them. Can you see? Add a social. Once you click on them, you put your link and you close them again. This is where I just click on what? I click on this button and it takes me to this place. So once you click on this one again, you put your Twitter link there and you close it again. Once you can click on LinkedIn again, put your link here and you close it again. And if you don't want anyone, maybe you want to delete anyone, you can just come to this icon, delete. You can delete them. Maybe you want to copy, you want to duplicate it. Can you see it? I duplicate it automatically, but I don't want it. I delete it. Easy. Yes. Okay. So that is just it. So, and you can change the name of the thing, the link to anything. Maybe you can put WhatsApp and put your link here. Okay, let me put my WhatsApp link. I know my WhatsApp offhand. WhatsApp, and I know the link of my WhatsApp offhand. Bat.me/09035382271. And once I'm done, I will close it and I will publish, and automatically I think it's safe already. Just click on done. So if I refresh, let me go to my home page and refresh. Let me refresh now. I should see something like WhatsApp here now. It's not showing. Let me go back to my customers. What can so I will rectify it very soon. Let me refresh this page now. So when this one is loading, let's go back to something I see something in this about page that you may not be able to do because I've not yet done it for you. Oh, this. Oh no, it's not in about page. It's in our service page. You can everything there. You can do it. You can change it. Now, if you come to this service page, let me show you something here. And I will show you, and I will just teach you how to do it. Where if this service page is loading, I've opened the page in Elementor. Because you see, this is our service page now in Elementor. I'm not doing any work. I just want to show you something I know you can't do. If you look at this, page. This is a video. So how do you do this thing? Now, it's just a video. They have not played the video yet. There's no video in this thing. If you click on it, it won't play anything. There's no video in it. So how do you add your video to it? This is what you just do. You will make sure you just make sure if you want your client to see a video of your company's work. Maybe the company you are designing for has a video. This is what you do. You tell them if they have any video of any work they have done, let them send it to you since you are in a service page. But if they don't have and they want to see a video, you can just tell them that they should make a little video, maybe just 10-second video or 30-second video or a minute video. They'll just do it and send it to you. It may be the CEO of the company that will just be talking this and this is what we do, this and that, and they have any video of their work. So okay, if they have a complete video of the work they did, maybe when they were doing any work they did a video. Now you will tell them, you will collect the video from them, you will open a YouTube account and upload the video on YouTube, because if you upload the video on your website directly, your website may not be functioning very well. It may be slow. It will be hindering the hosting to function very well. So you will upload the video on your YouTube account. Once you upload the video on your YouTube account, you will now copy the link. Let me think if I can show you the link of a YouTube account. Let me just go to YouTube. When that one is loading, let me be checking this. Okay, let me add item. Type to WhatsApp now. Link web.me/0903538227 target same page. Enable. Let me shoot icon. Do I have an icon? So you can just search for the icon you want to use. WhatsApp. You can use this one. Now once you are done, okay, I'm trying to look at how it will look on tab, and I'm trying to look at how it will look on mobile phone, even though it is only the link is only applicable for someone who is using mobile phone. They won't be able to see it on their tab. So it is only someone who is using, in fact, someone who is using mobile tab will not be able to see it, and someone who is using mobile phone will not be able to see it. It's only on laptop that they will be able to see the link. So once you make any changes, you just publish here. I'm expecting this to what I'll look for what to do now. So, and I think maybe it's maybe premium stuff, I don't even know. So this is the first time I've encountered such thing. I've never encountered it before. Everything I've been doing is working perfectly. So you come to this place, maybe you want to, let's just click on any YouTube. Let me just look for any YouTube. I'm just looking for YouTube movies. Okay, let me click on just one. No, data. What is happening to this my network? Let me refresh.
Suite, a $2 million multi-channel business on Wix.
So I just released 200 sets of the cooking utensils and sold them in about 2.5 minutes.
Share. Once I click on share, let me take the video.
Our online store has become the most successful part of our business.
Let me pause the video.
Through my online store alone, we've sold over $500,000 worth of spices.
Want to create your online success story? With Wix e-commerce, you can create state-of-the-art storefronts and optimize shopping experiences.
So let me pause
Add must-have e-com features like abandoned cart recovery.
So I can just come here. I'll click on this share. Once I click on this share, it will show me a particular link. It's loading. So
managing social media campaigns with Monday.com is easy. How easy? This easy.
You want to copy this? Want to copy this link? You just close. Let me close this. I'm done with this, and I will come to this my Elementor, and you copy. You paste the link here. Want to paste the link here and update it. Now, let me update it. I think it's done now. So let's go to our service page. Let me refresh. It's loading. So I'm going to see that the video will be automatically displayed here. Now, if you click on this thing now, it won't show you anything. You see, can you see it's redirecting you back to this page, which means there is nothing here. So whenever you put hashtag on anything, once you click on it, it will still redirect you to that same page. But once I click on this one now, it will redirect me to another YouTube link. It should redirect me to a place where I can go and watch it. You realize that this thing is loading. Can you see now? It takes me automatically. So that is how to embed a video on your website. But I won't be watching it because of time and stuff like that. I won't be watching it. Let me just. So
Simon and Joe both invest in stocks.
I'm not watching it.
Simon.
Can you see? When I click on back, it brings me to my website page again. That is how to embed YouTube video on your stock. So the other place, you can design it by yourself. You can just play around with it and design it. I've checked everything. That is the major thing you need. So this place I'll be ending this tutorial here now. So in the next one, I'll be teaching you another thing again that will be very, very valuable to you. So just keep on following me step by step. God bless you. Thank you for your endurance, and I can assure you that you will become the best in it. Just follow my step by step tutorial, and I can assure you, you'll become the best. God bless you.